SPC's a Pacific Commission was established in 6 of Feb 1947 by Agreement of Canberra, which was signed in the capital of Australia, Canberra, by the government of New Zealand, USA, Netherlands, France, Australia, Britain, Netherlands, Victoria, 1966, from the South Pacific Commission. SPC's main headquarters in Romania, is technical advice, training of manpower, collecting and giving of information in social, economic and cultural aspects. SPC is also known as Agenda Conatandon, Electric Authority, and the of the SPC. SPC is a consultation and advisory organization that its aim is to promote economic and social welfare and advancement of our living territories, colonies, specifically behind information technology. Members, Australia, France, New Zealand, UK, USA, Independence, Western Samoa, Cook Island, PNG, Fiji, Niue, Nauru, Vanuatu, Independence, Indonesia, Tokelau, Commonwealth, and Philippines, Federal State of Indonesia, Northern Mariana and Palau, Solomon Islands, Pitcairn Islands, and California, American Samoa, Sudan, and Wallis, Marshall Islands. Members of the South Pacific, Samoa, Australia, Cook Islands, and Pacific.